Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to see most played artists on your Spotify app. So yeah, let's just start video. First off, how you can do it, you can just open up your Spotify app, and after this you can see your home right here. Now you have some artists which you like to listen on Spotify app, but you can go your library and then your favorite artist right here, like this, my favorite artist here. Now what you can do, how you can see, you can just open up your Safari and any web browser, then type here spotify.com and then click go. Now wait for a moment, and after loading you can go your Spotify premium app in this, and then you can right here scroll down, and after this you can tap on three lines option and login, and then after login you can search here your all-time favorite artists, all-time favorites artists on Spotify you have most listen, so you can see right here, and after this you can search all artists which you would like to listen on Spotify. So that's it guys, see you in the next video, bye.